In previous class, I discussed RK method fourth order and also some examples on RK method fourth order. In this class, I discuss RK method, that is Runge-Kutta method for simultaneous first order ordinary differential equation. So, Runge-Kutta method. For simultaneous first order equation. Runge-Kutta method for simultaneous first order equation. Now, let us consider simultaneous first order equation. Let us consider simultaneous first order ordinary differential equation, that is dy by dx f1 x comma y comma z and dz by dx is equal to f2 x comma y comma z. So, with the initial condition conditions y of x naught equal to y naught and z of x naught equal to z naught. Now, starting from x naught comma y naught comma z naught, now starting from x naught comma y naught z naught, the increment k and L in y and z respectively are given by are given by following formula. So this is the simultaneous first order equation, dy by dx equal to f1 x comma y comma z and dz by dx f2 x comma y comma z with the initial conditions y of x naught equal to y naught and z of x naught to equal to z naught. So now starting from x naught, y naught, z naught, the increment k and l in y and z. K and l are the increment in y and z respectively are given by the formula. It is k1 equal to h into f1 x naught comma y naught comma z naught and k2 equal to l1 equal to h into f2 x naught comma y naught comma z naught and k2 equal to h into f1 x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2 comma z naught plus l1 by 2 and l2 equal to h into f2 x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k1 by 2 and z naught plus l1 by 2 and k3 equal to h into f1 x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2 comma z naught plus l2 by 2 and l3 equal to h into f2 x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2 and z naught plus l2 by 2. Last one k3 equal to k4 equal to h into f1 x naught plus h y naught plus k3 z naught plus l3 and l3 equal to l4 equal to h into f2 x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3 comma z naught plus l3 and therefore k equal to 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 into k2 plus k3 plus k4. Therefore k equal to and L equal to 1 by 6 L1 plus 2 into L2 plus L3 plus L4. So finding these value we get the k and finding L1, L2, L3 and L4 we get the L. Hence hence y1 equal to y0 plus k and z1 equal to z0 plus L. To compute y2 z2, simply replace x0 comma y0 comma z0 by x1 comma y1 comma z1 respectively in the above formula. In the above formula. So, formula is K1 and L1, that is H F1 x0 comma y0 comma z0 and L1 equal to H F2 x0 comma y0 z0 and K2 equal to H into F1 x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus K1 by 2 z0 plus L1 by 2 and L2 equal to second function, that is this is as same and K3 equal to H F1 x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus K2 by 2 and z0 plus L2 by 2 and L3 equal to H into F2 and that is as it is x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus K2 by 2 and z0 plus L2 by 2 and K4 equal to H into F1 x0 plus h y0 plus K3 and z0 plus L3 and L4 equal to H into F2 x0 plus h comma y0 plus K3 z0 plus L3 and by knowing the K1, K2, K3, K4 we get the final answer K, that is y1 by 6 K1 plus 2 into K2 plus K3 plus K4 and L equal to 1 by 6 L1 plus 2 into L2 plus L3 plus L4. So, hence y1 equal to y0 plus k and z1 equal to z0 plus L. So, further we have to calculate y2 and z2. So, just simply replace the x0, y0, z0 by the x1, y1, z1 respectively in this. So, respectively in the above formula. So, we get the values of x2, y2 and z2. So, next examples on Runge-Kutta method for simultaneous first order equation. Example number 1, solve dy by dx is equal to yz plus x and dz by dx and dz by dx equal to xz plus y, xz plus y, given that y of 0 equal to 1 and z of 0 equal to minus 1 and compute y of 0.2 and z of 0.2 and z of 0.2. They are given simultaneous equation dy by dx, that is simultaneous first order equation dy by dx equal to yz plus x and dz by dx equal to xz plus y, and also given y of 0 equal to 1 and z of 0 equal to minus 1, and we have to compute y of 0.2 and z of 0.2. So y of 0. Means y2 and z of 0.2 is z2. First we can calculate y1, that is y of 0.1 and z of 0.1, and next using y1 and z1 we can calculate the y2 z2. So solution: given that dy by dx f1 of x naught comma y naught comma z naught, that is equal to yz plus x, and dz by dx f2 x naught comma y naught comma z naught, that is equal to xz plus y, and also given let x naught equal to 0, y naught equal to 1, z naught equal to minus 1, this is x naught 0 and y naught equal to 1, z naught equal to minus 1, and h equal to 0.1. Therefore, so formula k1 is equal to h into f1 x naught comma y naught comma z naught, that is equal to h into this function means y naught z naught plus x naught, y naught z naught plus x naught. So that is equal to h is 0.1 and y naught is 1 and z naught is minus 1 plus x naught is 0. So get the answer minus 1 into minus 0.1, k1 equal to minus 0.1, and L1 equal to h into f2 x naught comma y naught comma z naught. So that is equal to h into, that is second function f2 x naught z naught plus y naught, x naught z naught plus y naught, that is equal to 0.1, x naught is 0 plus y naught is 1. So get the value plus 0.1, and similar to the k2 equal to h into f1 x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k1 by 2 and z naught plus L1 by 2. So that is equal to h into f1 x naught plus h by 2, h is 0.1 divided by 2, we get 0.05, this is 0, and y naught is 1 plus k1 is minus 0.1, so we get 1 minus 0.05, that is plus 0.95, comma z naught is minus 1 plus L1 is 0.1, so minus 1 plus 0.05, we get minus 0.95. So substitute the value 0.1 and f1 0.05, or simplifying directly k2 equal to, so that is the function y0 z0 plus x0, 0.95 minus 0.95 plus 0.05 into 0.1, 0.95 into minus 0.95 plus 0.05 and h is 0.1 into 0.1. So we get minus 0.08525, 0.08525. And next KL2. So L2 equal to h into function f2 x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2 and z0 plus L1 by 2. So that is equal to 0.1 f2, that is 0.05, that is 0.95, that is minus 0.95. Okay, so simplifying that one, so according to second function xz plus y, 0.05 into minus 0.95 plus y, 0.05 into minus 0.95 plus 0.95 into 0.1. So that is plus 0.09025. And similar to the K3 value. K3 equal to h into f1 x0 plus h y by 2 y0 plus k2 by 2 and z0 plus L2 by 2, that is equal to 0.1 f1 x0 plus h by 2, that is 0, here 0.05, y0 is 1 plus k2 by 2, k2 is minus 0.08525 divided by 2 plus y1 y0, that is 1 equal to 0.95 7375 and L2 0.09025 divided by 2 plus z0 is minus 1. So we get minus 0.95487, that is equal to, so this is the first function yz plus x. So y is 0.957375 into minus 0.95487 plus 0.05 into 0.1. So we get minus 0.08 641 and L3 equal to h into f2 x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2 z naught plus L2 by 2. So that is equal to 0.1 f2 x naught, that is 0.05 y naught plus k2, that is 0.957375 minus 0.95487. So that is L3 equal to second function xz plus y, that is 0.05 into minus 0.95487 plus y, that is 0.957375 into 0.1, we get 0.09096. And next L4, K4, and last one is K4 and L4. K4 equal to h into f1 x naught plus h y naught plus k3 z naught plus L3, that is equal to 0.1 f1, that is 0.1 comma y naught, k3 is, so 1 minus 0.08641, that is 0.91359, and z naught, that is minus 1 plus 0.09096, that is minus 90904, and that is equal to K4 equal to, so simplifying that one, that is first function, that is yz plus x, 0.91359 into minus 90904, minus 90904 plus x, that is 0.1 into 0.1. So K4 equal to minus 0.073048 73048, and L4 equal to h is h into f1 f2 x naught plus h y naught plus k3 comma z naught plus L3. So that is equal to 0.1 f2, that is 0.1, that is 0.91359 comma minus 0.90904. So second function L4 equal to xz plus y, that is 0.1 into minus 0.90904 plus 0.91359 into 0.1. So minus plus 0.08226 minus 0.08226. Now we have to calculate k equal to, that is 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 into k2 plus k3 plus k4. So that is equal to 1 by 6, k1 is minus 0.1 plus 2 into k2 is minus 0.08525, k3 is this one minus 0.08641 plus k4. So k4 is minus 0.073048, and simplifying that one we get k. So simplifying that one we get k, that is first these two minus 0.08525 minus 0.08641 into 2 minus 0.073048 minus 0.1 divided by 6, we get k equal to minus 0.08606. So that is k. And next L equal to 1 by 6 L1 plus 2 into L2 plus L3 plus L4, that is equal to 1 by 6. So L1 is 0.1 plus 2 into L2 is 0.09025 plus L3 is 0.09096 plus L4. Plus L4 is this one 0.08226, and simplifying we get, add these two first, 0.09025 plus 0.09096 into 2 plus 0.08226 plus 0.1 divided by 6. We get L equal to 0.09078. Hence, y of 0.1 is equal to y naught plus k. So that is equal to y naught is 1 plus k is minus 0.08 0.08606. So y of 0.1 equal to and z of 0.1 equal to z naught plus k. So z naught is minus 1 plus k L. L is 0.09078. Therefore, z of 0.1. So 1 minus 0.08606, we get 0.91394, and minus 1 plus 0.09078, get minus 0.90922. So now we have to calculate y2 and z2. So for that one, so now replacing x1 equal to, so that is x naught plus h. So x, that is x naught is 0, h is 0.1, that is x1 equal to 0.1, and y1, so resulting one, that is 0.91394, and z1, that is minus 0.90922. In place x naught, y naught, z naught, the place x naught, y naught, z naught, and repeat the process. So in place of x naught, y naught, z naught, you can take x1, y1 and z1 values. So that is the repeat the process. We get the value of y2 and z2, that is y of 0.2 and z of 0.2. So therefore k1 equal to h into f1. Instead of x naught, we can take x1, y1 and z1. that is equal to h is 0.1 and f1 x1 is 0.1 and y1 is 0.91394 and z1, so z1 is minus 0.9022 0.90922. So that is the function 0.1. Therefore k1 equal to, so that is the first function, that is yz plus x, that is 0.91394 into minus 0.90922 and plus x naught, x1, that is 0.1 into 0.1 because h. So we get the value minus 0.07309. Okay. Next k1, that is L1 equal to h into f2 x1 comma y1 comma z1, that is equal to 0.1 f1 f2, so 0.1 0.91394 minus 0.90922. So second function, that is xz plus y, 0.1 into this one and plus this one into 0.1. So that is 0.1 into minus 0.90922 plus 0.91394 into 0.1. So that is plus 0.08 230 and similar to the k2, it is k1 equal to 0 minus 0.07309 and L1 is equal to 0.08230 and k2 equal to h into f1 x0 plus x1 plus h by 2 y1 plus k1 by 2 z1 plus L1 by 2. So that is equal to h is 0.1 and f1 x1 is 0.1 plus h by 2, we get 0.15. So y1 plus k1 by 2, k1 is minus 0.07309 divided by 2 plus y1 is 0.91394 equal to 0.877395. L1, so L1 is 0.08230 divided by 2, so Z1 is this one minus 0.90922, that is minus 0.86807. So simplifying that one, K2 equal to, so first function, that is yz plus x naught, multiplying these two and add this one, that is 0.877395 into minus 0.86807 equal to plus 0.15 and into 0.1, we get minus 0.061164, and L2 equal to, that is h into f2 x1 plus h by 2 y1 plus y by 2 k2 by 2 k1 by 2 z1 plus l1 by 2, that is 0.1, 0.15, 0.877395, 0. minus 0.86807. So L2 equal to, simplifying that one, so the second function xz plus y, that is 0.15 into minus 0.86807 plus y, that is 0.877395 into 0.1, we get 0.074718. So K2 equal to minus 0.061164 and L2 equal to 0.074718. So next we have to calculate K3 and L3. Therefore, K3 equal to h into f1 x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2 z1 plus l2 by 2, that is equal to 0.1 f1 that is x1 plus that is 0.15, y1 plus k2 by 2, k2 is minus 0.061164 divided by 2 plus that is y1 that is 0.91394, that is 0.88335, y1 equal to 0.91394 and z1 equal to minus 0.90922. Okay, and L2 is this one 0.074718 divided by 2, Z1 is minus 0.90922, we get minus 0.871861 and K3 equal to, simplifying that one, that is first function yz plus x, take it these two multiplication plus add this one and multiply by 0.1. So that is 0.88335 into minus 0.871861 plus 0.15 into 0.1, we get minus 0.062015 and L3 equal to K3 equal to minus 0.062015 and L3 equal to h into f2 x1 plus h by 2 y1 plus k2 by 2 and z1 plus L2 by 2. So that is 0.1 f2 0.15 0.88335 minus 0.871861. So that is equal to L3 equal to, so second function, that is xz plus y, x is this one, z, and add this one. So that is 0.15 into minus 0.871861 plus 0.88335 into 0.1, we get 0.075257, 0.075257, and finally K4, that is h into f1 x0 plus x1 plus h, y1 plus K3 Z1 plus L3. So that is equal to H is 0.1 plus F1, X1 is 0.1 plus H is 0.1. Plus 0.1 we get 0.2. Y1 is 0.91394 plus